Greetings friends, this is Vincent from Golden Key Realty yet again in a different part of Bangalore city. We're standing outside Godrej Woods right now. This is a prime project in Thanisandra. The location and the developer don't need much introduction. The location is prime on the main road and the developer obviously says for itself. Godrej Properties, by sales number, the largest volume selling last year in entire Pan India, and this is the site office that we have. The project's name is Godrej Woods. We've got 7-acre land parcel, 580 apartments, 2 and 3 bedrooms that are available for grabs here, 1,190 square feet till about 2,300 square feet. So we will be going inside right now in a moment to showcase you how the model apartment looks like. And the reason why they have said Godrej Woods is because they have not only retained the natural trees in this land parcel, they have additionally planted 2,000 trees to ensure that the residents have a green and sustainable living. So we will be going inside in a moment to showcase you the scale model and the model apartment. So we're standing outside the scale model. This is the site office, just to give you a brief overview of how it looks like before we step into the model unit. So walking towards the model unit, the name of the project is Godrej Woods, aptly named, correct description. This is what the developer intends to do to maintain adequate greenery, adequate forestation by planting more trees than the ones that are already there. Okay, and this is how the site office looks like. That's the model unit I will be showcasing in a moment. And this is what you get when you come to Godrej Woods in Thanisandra. Hi, so we're standing outside the model unit of Godrej Woods in Thanisandra. This is 2,191 square feet, super built up. We enter into the house. It's absolutely gorgeous. And this is the first bedroom towards the left, the deck area that you have there, right? And this is how your living and dining greets you. In fact, the USP is that you got the deck running parallelly from the guest bedroom right up to the master bedroom. So we go into the deeper part of the house and we go into the kitchen on the right, a fully modular kitchen setup. Obviously you have the space and you have the expanse for you to do your interiors as per your choice. Okay, the location is very prime. It is in Thanisandra, part of North Bangalore, and a developer that needs no introduction when it comes to real estate in India. We move into the interiors and this is what we get on the second bedroom. You can call it a kid's bedroom, and this is the common washroom, and this becomes your master bedroom. I will be taking you out to the deck also, which is a huge USP for this particular dimension and project. The walk-in closet, the bathing area. So this runs parallel throughout the house from this bedroom right up to the other bedroom on the far end of the house. So the developer needs no introduction. We all know what Godrej Properties is. Coming here in Thanisandra, the project is up for grabs for interested people who are looking at this particular location. I'll just take you out onto the deck and show you the expanse that we have. So this becomes your deck area for 2,191 square feet of super built up space, and it extends right to the end, running parallelly across the house. Right, so bookings are happening at full swing here, and people have shortlisted their preferred units. We have various dimensions available, and you can definitely come down and have a look. It's right on the main road. The location is prime. Lot of activity going on in North Bangalore right now. The proximity to the highway, to the airport, and the other major parts of the city. Just to give you a better understanding of what it is. here we are. So this is Vincent from Golden Key Realty. I will keep continuing showcasing properties to you in and around the city. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.